An easy way to extend the life of your toner cartridge is to remove it from the printer and shake it. Tap here where the toner container is located. Then reinsert the toner cartridge into the printer. Why should this simple action cause your printer to print at least a few dozen more pages? Because in this way you will redistribute the toner powder inside the cartridge. The sheets you print have the text or the images mostly in the center of the sheet, so the printer mainly uses the toner present in the central part of the cartridge. Inside the cartridge there is a pedal that moves and distributes the toner powder, but when the toner becomes too little, it cannot distribute it all. So there is often toner left on the sides and bottom of the cartridge. By shaking the cartridge, the toner is redistributed more evenly inside it. Use this method when there are light prints or white lines on the printed pages. Shaking the cartridge will not clear any error messages or restore the toner level.